Assalamualaikum Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I introduce sun-kissed boho chic blouses. Embrace effortless elegance with these sun-kissed boho chic blouses designed for women who love relaxed hued blend with artistic charm crafted from soft breathable fabric. This blouse drapes beautifully over the body, offering all-day comfort without compromising on style. The flowy cut allows natural movement, making it ideal for warm days and layered look. I like delicate detailing such as subtle embroidery, textured patterns, or handcrafted accents add a free-spirited touch that reflect true bohemian style, whether paired with denim, linen trousers, or a maxi skirt. This allows create an easy-going yet refined outfit suitable for casual outings, vacations, and creative workspaces. Free-spirited floral boho blouses. This free-spirited floral boho blouses are a celebration of nature-inspired fashion and relaxed femininity designed with soft floral motifs and earthy tones. It captures the essence of bohemian charm, effort as the lightweight fabric feels gentle on the skin, while the loose-fitting design shows breathability, comfort throughout the day. Flowing sleeves and subtle leather enhance for appear, making it a versatile piece for both daytime and evening wear style with the dress jeans for a casual look or elevated with the statement jewelry and wide leg pants for chic boho symbols. Artisan Dream Boho Chic Blouses inspired by handcrafted artistry. In this artisan Dream Boho Chic Blouses blend traditional influences with modern styling, featuring intricate pattern, decorative stitching, or tassel. Accent brings a unique character to your wardrobe. The relaxed hued flatters all body type, while the soft fabric provide a smooth and airy feel designed for versatility. This blouse transitions seamlessly from everyday wear to special queen paired with layered necklaces, sandals, or ankle boots to complete a distinctive boho-inspired look that feels both aesthetic and contemporary. Earthy Elegance Boho Blouses. The Earthy Elegance Boho Blouses offers a perfect balance between neutral tones and sophisticated design made from breathable, skin-friendly fabric. It ensures comfort while maintaining a stylish appearance, flowing lines, gentle pleats, and relaxed sleeves and depth and movement to the overall look. Ideal for women who appreciate and understand fashion with a bohemian soul. This blouse works beautifully with neutral bottoms and bold accessories, whether worn for brunches, travel outing, or casual gathering. It delivers timeless charm with the laid back vibe. Wanderlust soul boho blouses designed for the modern wonders. These wonderful soul blouses, check blouses reflect freedom, creativity, and individuality. The airy fabric and loose structure allow effortless wear, while subtle design elements like ethnic prints, lace, insert, and fringing details enhance its boho appeal, perfect for layering or wearing on its blouses. Adapts easily to changing season style. It with shorts, flared jeans, or skirt to create a relaxed yet stylish outfit that embodies the true spirit of bohemian fashions. Golden Horizon Boho Chic Blouses. The Golden Horizon Boho Chic Blouses is designed for women who appreciate effortless beauty. Infused with a free-spirited soul made from ultra-soft breathable fabric, these blouses flow neutrally with every movement, creating a relaxed yet flattering silhouette. The design highlight bohemian artistry through delicate embroidery, subtle textures, and thoughtfully placed details that add depth without overwhelming the look. Its loose structure provides comfort for long wear, making it perfect for warm afternoons, travel days, or creative environment style with the denim linen pants or layered jewelry. This blouse transforms simple outfit to refine boho statement that feels timeless and authentic. Whispering Bloom boho blouses inspired by nature. Gentle elegance. The whispering boho blouses brings charm to everyday dressing. The skin ensuring comfort while maintaining a graceful drape. Floral inspired elements. Flowing sleeves and subtle gathers give the blouse a dreamy, feminine appeal designed to suit multiple body types. It relaxed fit, enhances ease of movement while offering a flattering shape, whether worn or casually with the jeans or styled with a skirt for a more polished look. This blouse captures the essence of modern bohemian fashion with a touch of softness and warmth. Handcrafted muse boho chic blouses. The handcrafted muse boho chic blouses reflect the beauty of artisan design and timeless detailing such as embroidery, tassels, or texture patterns. It celebrates craftsmanship while remaining effortless wearable. The lightweight material ensures breathability, making it suitable for all-day wear across seasons. It relaxes silhouette, allows versatility, styling from casual daytime look to elevate evening symbols. Pair it with a statement accessories or natural vibe to create a layered boho look that feels expressive, artistic, and uniquely personal. Desert draped boho chic blouses drawing inspiration from earthly and landscapes and open skies. The desert's draped boho blouses embodies freedom and neutral elegance. The blouse features a flowing design that drapes beautifully, offering both comfort and visual movement. Subtle bohemian essence, such as aesthetic-inspired bohemian accents, prints, or soft lace insert and character without overpowering the design. Ideal for women who prefer relaxed yet stylish outfit. This blouse works seamlessly with wide leg, tall skirts, or classic denim. It's a versatile piece that brings a calm, grounded aesthetic to your wardrobe. Moonlit Nomad boho blouses. This moonlit nomad boho blouses is crafted for women who express their individuality through fashion. Its airy fabric and loose fitting shape, creating a light flowing feel that enhances comfort and elegance. Delicate design elements such as softly flared sleeves, fine stitching, or subtle pattern give the blouse its signature boho identity, perfect for layering or wearing alone. It transitions beautifully from day to evening. Whether styled for casual outings or creative gatherings, these blouses offers a sophisticated take on bohemian charm with a modern graceful touch. Eternal Sun Boho Blouses. The Eternal Sun Boho Blouses is a statement of relaxed luxury and artistic expression. Thoughtful design for women who embrace individuality and effortless beauty, crafted for expectationally soft, breathable fabric. This blouse offers a light and airy feel that drapes gracefully over the body, allowing natural movement with every step. This silhouette is intentionally relaxed, creating a flattering flow that complements a variety of body shapes while maintaining a refined feminine structure. Delicate bohemian detailing such as subtle embroidery, gentle texture, or handcrafted inspired accents add the depth and visual interest without overpowering the design, perfect for long days, travel, or creative spaces. This blouse pairs seamlessly with denim, linen, trousers, or flowing skirt, making it a timeless wardrobe essential for boho-inspired styling. Wildflower review or boho blouse inspired by free-growing wild flowers and natural landscapes. The wildflowers revived boho blouses capture the essence of softness, freedom, and charm. The lightweight fabric feels smooth and comfortable against the skin, ensuring breathability even during extended wear. Flowing sleeves, subtle pleat, and gentle gather detail essence its dream aesthetic while maintaining practicality for everyday styling, designed to transition effortlessly from casual daytime look to elevated evening outings. This blouse can be styled with distressed jeans for a relaxed vibe or paired with the elegant accessories for a more polished bohemian ensembles. It is a perfect blend of nature inspired beauty, modern family. The artist in spirit boho blouses. The artist in spirit boho blouses celebrate the beauty of craftsmanship and soulful design, featured intricate decorative elements inspired by traditional technique. This blouse reflects authenticity and artistic character. The soft breathable material ensures lasting comfort, while the loose silhouette provides ease of movement. The effortless elegance designed for women who value creativity and individuality. This blouse offers versatility styling possibilities. Wear it loosely for a carefree look or layer it with accessories for a more expressive outfit. Its timeless design makes it suitable for casual wear, creative work environments, or relaxed social gatherings. Earthbound grace boho blouses rooted in neutral tones and flowing tops. The earth tones grace boho blouse brings understanding sophistication to bohemian fashion. The fabric is carefully selected for its softness and breathability, creating a comfortable and wearing experience throughout the day. The relaxed skirt allows the blouse to fall naturally, enhancing its fluid silhouette while providing a flattering fit. Subtle design essence such as textured waves or gentle detailing add visual depth and character, ideal for women who appreciate calm, earthy aesthetic. And this blouse is pairs beautifully with natural bottoms, handcrafted accessories, or layered jewelry to complete boho chic look. Casual Nomad and boho blouses. The casual Nomad boho blouses is designed for modern wanderers who value freedom, comfort, and artistic style. Its airy construction and flowing design create a sense of lightness, making it ideal for work days or layered seasonal outfits, soft bohemian details including elegant stitching and subtle patterns enhance its timeless appeal. This blouse transitions seamlessly from day to night, offering versatility for casual outing, creative events, or relaxed evening gatherings. Style with a wide leg pants, skirts, or classic denim, it delivers a graceful, expressive, boho aesthetic that remains effortless elegance. Slora Muse boho chic blouses. The Slora Muse chic blouses is an odd, effortless freedom, artistic expression, and timeless family designed for women who move through life with creativity and confidence. This blouse combines relaxed comfort with refined bohemian elegance. The fabric is expectationally soft, lightweight, and breathable, allowing air to circulate naturally while draping fluidity over the body. Its two-fully designed silhouette offers loose yet flattering fit that complements various body shapes without clinging, creating a graceful flowing that feels as beautiful as it looks. Every detail reflects bohemian artistry. Subtle embroidery, textured patterns, or handcrafted inspired accents are delicately placed to add dimension and visual interest without overwhelming the design. The sleeves flow naturally, enhancing movement and lending an ethereal quality that elevate everyday dressing, whether styled with the distressed denim linen trousers or layered under light jackets. These blouses adapt effortlessly to different settings, perfect for casual mornings, creative workspaces, or sunset strolls. This Laura Muse Wojcik blouses becomes a wardrobe essential for women who value comfort, individuality, and understanding luxury. Meadow Whisper boho blouses inspired by open fields or soft breeze and neutral beauty. The Meadow Whisper boho blouses brings a sense of warmth and to modern bohemian fashion, crafted for breathable, skin-friendly fabric, provide lasting comfort and throughout the day while maintaining a flowing, graceful drape. Gentle pleats, softly gathered detail, and flowing sleeves enhance its dreamy aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for women who appreciate relaxed elegance with a feminine touch. The blouse versatile design allow it to transition seamlessly from daytime casual wear to evening refinement. Pair it with classic jeans for an effortless look and style with the flowing skirt and statement jewelry for a more elevated boho symbol. Its subtle detailing and natural charm make it suitable for travel, social gatherings, or relaxed occasion, offering both beauty and functionality in one timeless piece. Nomad artisan boho chic blouses. The nomad artisan boho chic blouses celebrates craftsmanship, culture, and self-expression design with intricate detailing inspired by traditional techniques. This blouse reflects a deep appreciation and artistry while remaining wardrobe and modern symbols. The fabric feels soft against the skin, offering breathability and comfort that lasts from morning to night. It relaxes you to low freedom of movement, making it ideal for long days filled with creativity and explorations. Decorative elements such as fine stitching, textured finish, or tassels-inspired accents add character and uniqueness to the design, whether worn casually or styled with a layered accessories. This blouse becomes a statement of individuality. It pairs beautifully with wide-legged pants, denim, or handcrafted jewelry, making it a versatile addition to any bohemian-inspired wardrobe. Earth Song Flow Boho Blouses. The Earth Song Flow Boho Blouse is rooted in natural elegance and effortless sophistication, designed with earthy tones and flowing lines. It captures the essence of relaxed luxury while remaining practical for everyday wear. The lightweight fabric drapes naturally, creating a fluid silhouette and enhanced comfort and movement. It loose fitting design ensure breathability and making it perfect for warm days. Layered styling during cooler season. Subtle bohemian details such as texture fabric, minimal embroidery, or softly structured sleeves add depth and while maintaining a clean, balanced look, ideal for women who prefer understand fashion with soulful character. This blouse works seamlessly with natural bottoms, sandals, or boots. It's timeless piece that blends seamlessly into both casual and refined wardrobes. Moonlit wandered boho blouses. This moonlit wandered boho chic blouses designed for women who find beauty in freedom, creativity, and quiet sophistication. It airy construction, flowing silhouette, and create a light, graceful feel that enhance every moment. The fabric is carefully selected to provide comfort without sacrificing elegance, making it suitable for all day wear. Delicate boho-inspired details such as soft stitching, gentle patterns, or flowing sleeves add a sense of artistry to the design. Whether worn alone or layered with accessories, this blouse adapts effortlessly to different moods and occasions. Pair it with a relaxed trousers, skirts, or denim, create a look that is both expressive and timeless, reflective the true spirit of bohemian fashion. Aurora Drift boho chic blouses. The Aurora Drift boho chic blouses is poetic expression of freedom, softness, and modern bohemian elegance, designed for women who creative towards effortless beauty rather than feeling trends. And this blouse embodies a relaxed sophistication that feels timeless and deeply personal. The fabric is carefully chosen for its feather, light texture, and breathability quality, allowing it to flow naturally across the body while offering spectacular comfort throughout the day. As it drapes, it creates a fluid silhouette that is feel organic, graceful, and flattering without over appearing structured or restrictive. The design reflects the heart of boho chic fashion throughout the refined artisanal elements, subtle embroidery, delicate subtle surfaces, texture, and thoughtfully placed detailing that adds character without excess. The sleeves move freely, enhancing the blouse's airy presence and adding visual softness with every step, whether worn loosely for a carefree daytime look or structured style with the layered jewelry for a more expressive symbol. This blouse adapts beautifully to the various mood and lifestyle, ideal for creative workspaces, travel escapes, casual gathering, or slow mornings. The or a drift boho chic blouses become a variable statement of individuality and effortless charm. Wild Medium Muse boho blouses. The Wild Medium boho blouses draws inspiration from open land spaces, gentle sunlight, the natural rhythm of free spirit, living crafted to feel as light as the breeze against the skin. This blouses offers a soft, breathable wearing experience that prioritizes comfort while maintaining an elevated aesthetic. Its leg skirt and allow the fabric to move freely, creating a graceful flow that complements a wide range of body types and personal style. Intricate design elements such as soft gathers, flowing sleeves, shape, and subtle bohemian accent lend depth to the blouse. Each detail is intentionally understated, allowing the natural beauty of the design to shine throughout without overwhelming the overall look. The blouse transitions seamlessly from casual day wear to more refined evening style, paired with denim for a laid back boho look, or elevate it with the flowing skirt, handcrafted accessories, and natural texture for accompaniment. Boho symbols. It is a timeless piece that reflects both serenity and strength. Heritage Soul Artisan Boho chic blouses. The Heritage Soul Artisan Boho chic blouses are tribute to craftsmanship, culture, and soulful design crafted for women who appreciate ethnically in fashion. This blouse blends traditional inspiration with contemporary variability. The fabric feels smooth and breathable, offering a sense of ease that lasts from morning through evening. Its loose silhouette allows for instructive movement while maintaining a refined drape that feels both relaxed. Internationals artisan-inspired detailing such as textures, stitching, handcrafted motifs, or subtle embellishment add depth and individuality to design. These elements tell a story of artistry and heritage, and without overpowering design to be styled effortlessly, to pair beautifully with a wide leg trousers, soft denim flowing skirt, and whether worn during creative pursuit or social gathering or everyday movement, this blouse become a meaningful wardrobe piece that celebrates self-expression and timeless boho elegance. Earthlight Harmony Boho Blouses. The Earthlight Harmony Boho Blouses embodies balance, softness, and natural sophistication inspired by earthy tones and fluid shape. This blouse is designed to feel calming and yet visually captivating. The lightweight fabric drapes gently over the body, creating a silhouette that feels relaxed while still appearing through fully styled, breathable nature. Make it ideal for long wear, warm climates, or layered seasonal outfits. Subtle bohemian design features such as gentle texture, flowing lines, and minimalistic detailing enhance the blouse's organic appeal. This piece is perfect for women who prefer understated fashion with emotional depth and timeless elegance, whether styled with the natural trousers, sandals, or statement accessories. The Earthlight Harmony boho blouses offers endless versatility while maintaining a serene, grounded aesthetic. Romer boho chic blouses. The Crucial Romer boho chic blouses designed for women who carry a sense of wanderlust and quiet confidence. Its reconstruction flowing silhouette create an ethereal presence that feels light, familiar, and effortlessly stylish. The fabric moves gracefully with the body, offering comfort without sacrificing elegance. Delicate boho-inspired details such as soft patterns, refined stitching, or flowing sleeves add a artistic finish that enhance the boho blouses. Timeless appeal, suitable for both casual and elevated Styling these blouses transition seamlessly from day to night. Pair it with denim skirts or relaxed trousers. It becomes a versatile piece that reflects individuality, creativity, and the enduring beauty and bohemian fashion. Golden or ornament boho chic blouses. The golden or ornament boho chic blouse is more than a garment. It is a reflection of a free spirit lifestyle shaped by creativity, movement, and quite confident design for women who appreciate clothing that feels and expressive. As it comfortable, this blouse brings together bohemian artistry and effortless showcase in perfect harmony. The fabric is luxury, soft and breathable, chosen simplicity, and provide light and airy sensation against the skin while maintaining a graceful drape that flows naturally with the body. Its relaxing hue is intentionally designed to flatter without restriction, allowing the blouse to fall freely and create a sense of natural elegance. Every detail speaks of boho craftsmanship, subtle embroidery inspired by artisan traditions, texture and finish that add dimension and gentle design essence that enhance the blouse without overwhelming it. This leaves more fluidity, creating a soft visual rhythm with the every step, while the overall structure remains refined in timeless beauty. This blouse wraps beautifully and every moment of the day. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.